Hello, this is going to be a tutorial on adding an event header. We highly recommend that you put a custom header in all of your events to increase the level of engagement. Give you an example of what I'm talking about. When you open up an event tab within the app, now this is the event tab or the event v2, the version 2 of our events tab. So you come in here, click on one of the events and see here this nice custom header that is in each one of the events. You can customize these headers. These are 640 pixels wide by 240 pixels high. That'll fit perfectly in this area. So we highly recommend using the graphics part of the app uploader to add this particular header into all of your events that you add in. So let me take you and show you what this particular tab looks like. Go into the events. This is global prayer time and edit. And here you can see that image of that header right here. And this is the build out of that particular tab. So I'm going to close this one out since we are in a live app. I'm going to add a single event and I'm going to choose a file. And you'll navigate to the area on your computer where you've saved that particular image. Now you don't have to use a 640 by 240 image. You can use something that's has more space than that, and then you can choose a section of it out, which I'm going to do here. This particular header is a little larger than that. Once we save this event, it's going to ask us to adjust the image. I'm going to say yes. So when we come in here, it looks a little smaller, but when we zoom in on it, it actually has more space than that. You can move this box around to choose the area that you want to show for your custom header. So you can use a whole bunch of different size images here. So I'm going to delete this one and show you how you can actually choose. If you wanted to actually choose a background, and so you wanted to just choose this little, if you see some pictures here, we wanted that part of that particular tab, that background image, so we can save changes here. It's going to say, do you want to crop that? I'm going to say yes. So that big image is sitting here, so we can scroll down, and we wanted this particular part, so you just move your little highlighter here, and we could just take that part right there, and bang, that's going to be our header for this particular event. So we can scroll back up, save image. You know that I didn't name that, so oh, it's right here. Okay, so we edit that, and there's that image right there as our header. So it works out really well to use any size image as long as it has more space than the 640 by 240. You can use a lot of different images already on your computer, most likely, to create some event headers. If you already have a slider for the website without needing to resize that, you could just clip a piece of that out using our uploader tool or our cropping tool. And within there, let's go ahead and do one other thing here. I want to show you the other tools of our cropper also. So here we go. Alright, yes, we want to crop and adjust the image. Sometimes you might see it sit behind the background there that popped up. Just close the window in front of you, and here's the cropper sitting right behind there. So alright, we're going to choose that area again. So we've got that set up nice. You can, increase or decrease the size of the background image there. You can also rotate that image as well with our tool, and you can change the opacity of it as well. So if you have something that's you want to fade a little bit, you can make it a little bit faded with our cropping tool here. So you can save that, and that will be the background image or the header image for your particular event. Close this out. I'm going to delete this event since we are working in a live app. Alright, so that's back to normal. Any questions about adding or adjusting or editing an event header, please send us an email at support@mobilewisemedia.com.